just going to give you the easy button today, right? Like, whoo, give me the easy button of how to make money from home. And I'm going to break down the easy button 900 in daily pay process system for you that you guys, I got to share with you this process I'm sharing with you. I just did the math before I got on here, and it has now generated $2.9 million in 26 days just on our Legacy Builder program. I know, isn't that amazing? In 26 days. So what that means is the people inside my community have made a total of 2.9 million. It's actually it's like $2,927,000 in 26 days. So it's not a question if you're willing to follow these 5 steps, can you make money? The only question is, are you ready, right? So you're going to walk away with some really great information today. So let me go ahead and get recording. And I think we got almost everybody in, so we're good. It's awesome. Welcome, welcome. So glad to have you guys here today on a Friday. I can tell you, promise you this, man, I'm going to make your Friday the best Friday you've ever had after you hear this information. You're not going to want to sleep tonight. You're going to be fired up to launch your own online business. So today we're going to talk about the step-by-step blueprint to earn 900 a day. So this is for you if you are done with the generational struggle and you want to create generational wealth. This is for you if you would love to have your own online business but don't know where to start. And this is for you if you want more time to do the things that you love and you're ready to take back control of your time and your finances. And maybe you're here because you are ready to learn how to make passive daily pay online, but you don't know where to start. And you want to make yourself proud and you want to make your family proud. And you are ready to be the one in your family that changes that generational struggle. So check this out. Oh my gosh, you guys, I got my first sell. So you guys, she literally started her business on April 6th and she already has had her first customer. That's what I'm talking about. We can show you how to shave off that learning curve. Look at this. Jeffrey, in 3 weeks, you guys, he's made $6,700 in 3 weeks. He said, we never dreamed that at our age, we would see such returns on a 2-hour workday. Imagine launching your business and 3 weeks later, you've made $6,700. You're going to learn exactly how they've done this today. And look at this. So we have Alan in the Philippines. He woke up to another $900 morning. That makes him a total of $8,800 this April, you guys, this month, right? Look at this. And I am happy to announce that I paid my debt, number 6, with a total of Philippines of 192,000 in Philippines. Okay. You guys, this is awesome. And he is actually on the video page. You can see his story on it as well. But this is what's happening inside our community. Hold on. Somebody is doodling on the screen. Let me stop sharing and get that off real quick. Okay. We'll go back. Anyway, that's just some of the stuff that's happening by them following these 5 steps that I'm going to be sharing with you. Okay. So let's just keep on going. So a little bit about myself. Back in 2022, I was struggling and I was super disappointed in myself. I was in my 50s and I would look in the mirror going, how did you get here? I don't know if any of you can relate to that, not being where you thought you would be in life. I had discovered these 5 steps on September 10th of 2022, and I went from making 0 online to 1 million in 17 months. And I'm going to share that process with you. But here was a wake-up call for me in September of 2022. The fact that I could build a business with no monthly expenses. The fact that I could learn how to make passive daily pay into my bank account and I could have a reoccurring income stream. So you guys, did you hear what I just said? Reoccurring income. You have reoccurring bills. Today, you're going to learn also how to add a reoccurring income stream along with passive daily pay. And what I loved is I could help more people because it was fully automated. So people all over the world could be learning through my automated system. And we could do all of this by following a 2-hour workday. So here is our life today. You guys, one of my things as a mom, I have 6 kids. And I only have 2 left at home and I'm a grandma to 5. One of the things ever since I was a mom is I wanted to have experiences with them. I didn't want to be that mom that just sat around and watched TV. We wanted to do things and travel. And this is what we were able to do in 2023. And 2024 is actually our travels start in May because my kids will be out of school. We'll be in San Antonio, Texas for a week. We'll be in Hawaii for 2 weeks. Then we'll be back home for like 7 days. And then we go to Florida for 10 days and we'll be back home for 10 days. And then we go to Colorado and then we go to Bahamas right after that because this business has allowed me to work 100% from anywhere by using internet. And I love that. So let me ask you a question, and I want you to put this in the chat. How would it feel if you could get out of debt, have more time with your family, make passive daily pay, and have a reoccurring income stream coming in month after month? How would that feel? How would that change your summer? If you could make in these next 30 days, or these next 90 days, you can make 30K, how would that change your summer? This is what you're going to learn today. So look at Ben. You guys, Ben, he goes, I just hit 9K for April. I'm amazed because I work 10 to 12 hours a day at his job doing hard physical labor, and he just fits this around his busy schedule. And look at Tammy. She goes, I feel it. I knew that I would. She got the $900 ding yesterday, and I love it. She goes, I was going upstairs to get my sweatshirt on to start my live when she got the $900 payment. That's passive income, okay? When you don't have to do anything for the money to come in. So passive income is an income that requires little to no labor to produce and to maintain. So let's talk about these 5 steps to passive daily pay and how to have a reoccurring income stream by following a 2-hour workday. So you might want to take some notes on this, you guys. And then again, at the very end, I will open up for questions. So step 1, you need to promote a product or a program that is in high demand. You guys, I can share these next 4 steps with you, but if you're promoting a cassette tape, it's never going to work because nobody wants to buy a cassette tape in today's digital world, right? So why promote digital programs? Because they're proven and you make 100% profit. That was important to me. I didn't realize there was a way out there where you could make 100% profit. Now, let's talk about this. See, I thought the only way I could make an income from home by promoting other people's products was through network marketing, because I didn't want to create a product. I didn't want to have to figure out formulas or any of that, right? I just wanted to be a mom and I wanted to be able to sell something online, period. That's the bottom line. And so I was doing affiliate marketing and I was doing network marketing, promoting network marketing products. And on average, you make about 25% profit, right? I discovered this process in 2022 where I can make 100% profit. So when I get a customer, you guys, because my number one selling product is $900. When I get a customer, that puts $900 into my pocket. Now, when I did network marketing, I would put about $225 into my pocket. So let me ask you a question. What makes more sense to you? Get one customer for $900 or one customer for $225? Or what if you want to sell something because it's your passion, because you like this lip gloss and you sell one lip gloss and make $9? What makes more sense? See, I wish somebody would have shoved this in my face years ago because I would have made more money and had more time with my family. Because do the math. If you're making 25% profit and you want to make $900, you need 4 customers. If you're selling a lip gloss and you want to make $900 a day, you need 100 customers. This right here is why so many people can't wrap their head around $900 a day, because you're thinking in volume. I'm not thinking in volume. I'm thinking in 100% profit. Now, if you're looking at this and if you're anything like me, that's the only question I ask. I'm like, how the heck do we make 100% profit? How does a company make money? You guys, they make their money because they give you a done for you website, which is only $29, by the way. And if you know anything about creating a website, a good website, it's thousands of dollars. So I want you to look at this. This is the power, and this is what we're going to talk about, how you can make 100% profit and how that is daily paid directly into your bank account. So you don't got to wait for no company to pay you. And then also what I love about promoting digital programs, you can learn and earn at the same time. So you don't got to learn, and then get a product to earn. You can learn and earn. It is the easy button system, right? And you can sell something that actually helps people. I can promise you, if you promote a product or a service or a program that actually helps people and makes an impact, pretty soon that tidal wave of the experiences what other people have will start doing the work for you, and it makes it even easier. And the Legacy Builder program is my number one selling product. I will scream this to the rooftops of why people should be promoting this. You guys, it's done 2.9 million in 26 days because it allows people to make 100% profit, and it allows people to learn skills that are holding them back from making an income online. So step 2, you got to automate your business. If you do not automate your business, you will be trading time for dollars. Let me share with you a proven automated system. So right here, it's pages like this that will be out there in the online world working for you 24/7. Okay. So here's how it works. People put their email in here. They're immediately taken to a thank you page, and it immediately allows them to get this video page inside their email. Now, on average, we have 14,700 people inside our community. On average, 1 out of 20 are buying. So if 20 people put their email in between this page and this page, about 1 out of 20 people are going to buy. If you're selling a $900 product, congratulations, you're making $328,500 a year because of automations. Now, here's the exciting part. You didn't have to get on the phone with anybody. It's fully automated. So people learn through automations. So this is you not having to trade time for dollars. So what's step 3? Well, getting your business discovered, right? Don't you want to know how the 20 people a day are going to discover your business? Well, the first method we have, and this method completely transformed my business, and it is through classified ads. I learned how to post free ads to high traffic websites for free. Yep, I would spend 30 minutes a day, copy, paste, and post for just 30 minutes a day. And also, we show you how to build a faceless brand. So you guys can literally build your business by building an invisible empire. And then utilizing social media. Every single social media platform works. And I will tell you what, when you learn in our discovery method how to never have to bother a friend and family by utilizing social media, again, you're no longer trading time for dollars. So what's step 4? Relate. You have to relate in your content. I call this stop the scroll. I want you to think about you. When you're on social media, how often do you scroll by content? How many pieces of content a day do you think you scroll by that you didn't even look at? So what you need to do to be able to learn how to make daily pay, you need to learn how to stop the scroll with your customers. So how do you do that? Well, one, you got to know who your perfect customer is. Okay, people do business with people they know, like, and trust. You got to use stop the scroll hooks. And you got to do a CTA to invite your potential customers into your Freedom Machine, that automated system I just shared with you. Okay, what's step 5? New customer. That's it. Because this system is working for you, right? Now, you might be thinking, man, this sounds so good, but I know nothing about products to promote. I know nothing about a sales funnel, a Freedom Machine. I don't know anything about social media marketing. I don't know how to stop the scroll. How do I know who my perfect customer is? You guys, everything I just put here on the screen is exactly how I felt in 2022. I had no idea. And I had wasted so much time Googling and watching YouTube videos. And all I was doing is causing myself to get more confused. And that's when I discovered the process. And this process is what I'm going to share with you today. And it is a Legacy Builder program process, you guys. The process I discovered in 2022 allowed me to be able to launch these products that the Legacy Builder program has already created $2.9 million. But what it does is it literally walks you through from launch to profit in 7 days and walks you through how to implement these 5 steps so you can learn the skills to make daily pay. So inside, this is what it looks like. You actually get a digital growth community in your Legacy Builder. You get step by step of exactly what to do. You get to learn that ultimate discovery system that I just shared with you, right? The build a faceless brand and build your brand and copy and paste free ads. How to use social media. You guys, there's 4.8 billion people on social media. All you need is to learn the techniques to have 20 a day discover you so we can turn that into daily pay. We will show you actually this invisible empire process. It's a 71-page PDF, you guys, that I give you. But not only do I give you the PDF, I do a walkthrough training with you. Inside of it shows you how to make 100K your first 12 months by building your invisible empire. And then you also get access to our digital growth community that has over 14,700 people inside of it. We do a 90-day run. Everything, miracles can happen in 90 days because everything really in your life creates momentum and you'll see the results within 90 days. And right now I'm walking you through how to make 30K in 90 days. So I want you to put in the comments, if you could make 30K in the next 90 days, how would that change your summer? Can anybody put that in the comments for me? How would that change your summer if you had a 30K in the next 90 days? More travel, life-changing, yes. Change my life. Oh my God, absolutely. I love it. More gas money. Yeah, we need that today, right? Yes, quit my job. Great. You guys, this is what you're learning today, how that happens. So this is people that have gone through our Legacy Builder program. I like this. Richard said in the breakout room, he discovered his perfect customer. Look at this. They literally, I love this. This says, this was by far the most valuable coaching I could have ever asked for and worth more than $1 million. It went on for over 5 hours, but not once could I get out of my chair. Amazing value. Because why it went on like that is because I do not get off until every single question is answered. That's what you get here. She was able to start seeing who her perfect customer was, right? Look at this, amazing breakout rooms. Got off the second breakout room. It was absolutely incredible. They want to watch the replay because not only do you get to get on live, you guys get access to the replays. I love the breakout rooms, very interactive. So that's what you get. So let me ask you a question. Do you think you could make money promoting a program that is getting results like this? A program that has already made $2.9 million in just 26 days? Yes or yes? Right? That is what I love. And you guys, so just in the last 26 days, our community generated a staggering $2.9 million in revenue just through the Legacy Builder program. That doesn't include the other 3 programs we have. And that means our community made 100% profit. That 2.9 million went into our pockets, not a company's pockets, but into our pockets. And that is absolutely what I love.